How do you know if a business is doing well? Is it just about revenue, customer satisfaction, or something else? The answer often lies in key performance indicators, KPIs. In this lecture, you will understand what KPIs are and why they're important, learn how to define KPIs based on business goals, explore techniques for tracking and interpreting KPIs. Key performance indicators are measurable values that indicate how effectively an individual, team, or organization is achieving its objectives. KPIs act like a scoreboard. They let you know if you're winning or losing in a specific area. For example, a company might track monthly sales revenue as a KPI to measure business growth. If sales are increasing, it's a sign of success. If not, it highlights areas that need attention. Think of KPIs as a fitness tracker for a business. Just as a fitness tracker monitors your steps, heart rate, and calories burnt to help you reach health goals, KPIs track a business's performance metrics to help it achieve success. Like a fitness tracker, KPIs show where you are, where you want to be, and what adjustments you need to make to get there. Key performance indicators are essential for measuring success and driving improvement in any organization. They provide a clear way to track progress and align efforts with business goals. KPIs focus attention on what matters most. They translate broad objectives into measurable targets, ensuring everyone in the organization understands what success looks like. For example, a KPI like monthly sales growth gives a specific measure to track progress towards revenue goals. KPIs provide real time data to support better decisions. Instead of relying on guesses, businesses can act based on facts. For instance, if a KPI shows declining customer satisfaction, leaders can investigate the cause and implement changes. KPIs create accountability by clearly defining expectations. They allow teams and individuals to measure their performance against specific benchmarks. This motivates improvement and helps identify areas needing attention. Start by identifying the organization's objectives. KPIs should directly measure progress towards these goals. Goal: increase customer retention. KPI: customer retention rate, percentage of customers who return. If KPIs do not align with business goals, they become meaningless metrics with no impact on decision making. KPIs should follow the SMART criteria: specific, clearly defined and focused; measurable, quantifiable with reliable data; achievable, realistic within the given resources; relevant, aligned with business goals; time bound, have a defined time frame for evaluation. A vague KPI: improve sales. A SMART KPI: increase monthly sales revenue by 10% over the next 6 months. Leading indicators predict future performance. For example, number of new leads generated. Lagging indicators reflect past performance. For example, total sales revenue last month. Effective KPI strategies often include a mix of both to balance forward-looking and retrospective insights. Visualize KPIs in real-time dashboards or periodic reports to monitor progress effectively. Tools like Power BI, Tableau, or Google Data Studio can automate this process. A sales dashboard might display revenue, lead conversion rates, and average deal size, giving a clear picture of performance at a glance. KPIs are more meaningful when compared to benchmarks or targets. These provide context to determine if performance is good, average, or poor. If the benchmark for customer retention is 85%, but your current rate is 90%, you're exceeding expectations. Regularly review KPIs to ensure they remain relevant and accurate. Business priorities can change, and KPIs should adapt accordingly. During a product launch, a marketing team might focus on KPI like website traffic and engagement. Post launch, they might shift to sales conversions and customer feedback. KPIs are not just numbers, they are a call to action. Interpret them to identify strengths, weaknesses, and opportunities for improvement. If a KPI shows declining customer satisfaction, strive to find the cause. For example, delays in delivery or poor product quality, and implement corrective measures. KPIs should always guide decision making and resource allocation. Marketing. Track ad campaign, ROI, website traffic, or social media engagement. Sales. Measure revenue growth, lead conversion rates, or average deal size. Operations. Monitor efficiency, inventory turnover, or production costs. Choose a specific industry, for example, retail, healthcare, or education. Identify three SMART KPIs that could help a business in that industry achieve its goals. Explain why each KPI is relevant and how it could be tracked. In summary, KPIs are essential tools for measuring and improving business performance. We discussed how to define effective KPIs, track them using benchmarks and dashboards, and interpret them to drive meaningful actions. What do you think is the most important KPI for a business? Can you think of an example where tracking a KPI led to significant improvement? Share your thoughts in the comment section.